Hey everyone, Chris Temple here, and I just want to show you something kind of cool that I've been working on. And this is my own personal film scheduling app. I've been wanting one for a while now and wishing that somebody would build it like the way I want it to be, because I schedule things maybe a little bit differently than most people would. And nobody did it, of course, because nobody knows what's going on inside my brain, and I don't have the money to hire anybody to do it. So I've been using ChatGPT and Claude to put this together. I know nothing about coding, and yet it was able to go through and build this all for me, help me write the code and tell me where to copy and paste and insert stuff. And when I run the app, this is just a little test version right now, it actually works. The only thing that's not working yet is my save and load, as well as importing FDX files. So I am working on trying to get that to work. But right now, the way it's set up, I come in, I choose a date range for what I want my movie shoot to be. So in this case, I'm set from July 27th through August 23rd. I just wanted to have something to play with on here. And then you have to manually, for the time being, input your stuff. So let's say I'm shooting scene 48, and that is an interior at the grocery store. And that is day. Then I put in how long it is in page 8s. So if it is like a 2.5 page scene, that would be 2 times 8 is 16 plus 4 is 20. So this would be 28s. And let's say I plan on that scene taking me 5 hours to shoot. So that would be 300 minutes. And again, all this has to be refined. This is just, the bare working prototype. I hit add scene. Now it gets added to my unscheduled list. Now over here, the functions are showing me in terms of minutes and pure 8s. However, the instant I drag it onto my board or to my calendar, now it's showing 2 and 4/8, so 2.5 pages and 300 minutes. It doesn't fix it here, but look down here, it does tell me that's planning to take 5 hours. And I can combine stuff together. So now I've got a 12-hour day with 9 and 1/8 of a page. I could pull a bit off. Now it's a 7-hour day with 4 and 6/8, and I've got a 5-hour shoot over here on this one. I can rearrange them. So if I want to change my shooting order, I can do that. And I really am excited with where this is headed. This is super cool. And I'm not trying to take anything away from coders and people that actually know how to program software and they do it for a living. I'm a poor, broke, independent filmmaker that wants a tool, and the tool doesn't exist without paying a lot of money, like Movie Magic scheduling, which is kind of where I got my inspiration for all this from. So I'm doing it myself. And it's at the point where I think I could use this on a feature. It's usable as is. There's a lot of quality of life stuff I want to fix, such as the minutes here. I would like to get those changed to hours, and I'd like to have that changed over here. And I would like to be able to input the fractions manually here and have that work out, because actually I don't even know. Let's try it here. Let's say this is going to be scene 56. I'm not going to worry about the rest of the descriptor. And maybe this is 4 and 5/8. And then I think the time is going to take me, let's say 30 minutes on that one. Yeah, it doesn't like that. So that's invalid right there. So that's not going to let me work. So it'd be nice to get that, straightened out, so I can just input directly stuff as it is. And even better, be able to import a final draft file, have it tally up the page 8s for me. I just have to tell it how long I think each scene is going to take, and then I throw them on my calendar. So yeah, just a little update for you indie rebels out there, showing you what you can do with these AI tools now. It's super cool, and I'm excited to see what comes from this.